What's up, Swish Central? Me, this guy over here, we're just gonna be 1v1ing, just something light. It's our first upload. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, here. We're just gonna shoot for ball. You wanna shoot?
Yeah.
Alright. He's gonna shoot for ball. We'll just do a shot.
So my ball or
Yeah, no, you get one. Alright, we going to do like 5 or 11? We'll do 11. So we're gonna do this to 11 and win by 2 or no?
Yeah.
We'll do 1 by 2. And it's make it, take it, but if you hit it out, like block it out or steal it out, like tip it out, it's the other team's ball. We're not doing make it take it. We're just doing 1 shot. That was my bad. We're just doing 1 for 1. That's what I meant. Oh, tip on my finger.
you want to call it?
Bigger than a shark.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
No, we gotta keep that in, bro.
I don't wanna.
What?
I don't wanna.
We have to use.
Alright, I got scared, bro. I'm gonna be honest. This man half blocked me last time. He just flew up in the air. I just played. I got scared, Chet. Yeah, I don't know why I said that. We're not live in. Hey, maybe we can live soon though. That would be fun. That would actually be fun. I got a Twitch account. I can change up the name. That'd actually be so much fun.
Oh my! Come here, bro.
Alright.
Come here.
Alright, bro. Stop.
Yeah, bro. This dude's buns, bro. 2-0. Yeah.
No! It's a horrible start to the first video.
2-0 me.
I don't always play this bad. I'm not saying I'm great. I don't always play this bad. Alright, it's fine. Just leave room for the comeback, Is it just 1-0?
It's 2-0.
Oh, no, 2-0. Oh my gosh, there's no way.
2-0.
I've never seen that happen opposite side of the room. That's actually crazy.
3-0.
Well, if we were on concrete, I'd have been open. Oh my gosh.
3-0.
I had to do that, bro. I can't get any trophies. We're locking it up. We're locked in. Oh,
3-0. No, 4-0. 4-0. Bro,
I'm a brick. Holy crap. No, if I lose, my excuse is I just hit legs. And you're just better.
I hit legs too, by the way.
No, you are better, but I should not be. It should not be 5-0 right now. That's crazy. I need to do better than that. Our record lately has been pretty good.
Yeah,
Last
recently.
like 6 games, I've definitely won 3. Dude. We playing for a team right now, I'm getting traded for sure, bro. I'm not even kidding, bro. I'm the newest free agent as of like 2 minutes ago. Yeah,
Yeah. No, actually. Yeah, but if it was out.
Oh yeah, it was that, wasn't it?
Yeah. 5 though.
I can't shoot that. Oh my god!
He's buns, bro. Tell him.
Alright, we get it. Do not spam buttons in the comments, please. What? The title of this video is something that's just gonna be getting cooked by Jacob. That is what is happening right now. Or potentially the world's greatest comeback. That's what I need. That is what I need, bro.
5 though.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god. Brian, get over here. Let's go.
I can't.
5-0.
Bro, how did I sell it that hard, bro? You were gone. You were like 2 steps away, bro. Oh my gosh. I was like 3 feet from the rim. I'm actually so upset. I am shocked. Oh.
Yeah, let's go.
Bro, you don't go for any of the fakes except the one I'm actually gonna shoot. Good. I was gonna start fouling.
7-0.
Yeah, you definitely stepped. That was horrible. It went in.
He's on the
I'm
board,
not even
guys.
lying. I'm not even lying. I was holding the ball. I was holding the ball like this, bro. My hands were like overlapping. I barely had that. I don't know how that went in, bro. And all my other shots didn't. Like, good grip. I can't make a shot.
Hey, that's 7.
But when I'm holding it with my hands like overlapping, I don't even know how that stayed in my hands.
7-1.
7 or 6?
7.
Well, maybe if we get big enough, we can like, keep the scores at the bottom of the video,
I
know?
know, I don't know how to do that.
I don't think it'd be that hard. It's just no point in doing it right now.
No, I can't make it left, bro.
No, over. Maybe not. All right, I'm cooking now.
It's
Every
7-2.
time I take like a bad shot or it feels horrible, bro.
It's
going in.
7-2.
7-2, yeah. Maybe it's just 7-2. Oh my god.
Step up.
I don't want to like face bug you though, because I know you're faster than me. I'm trying to get really up.
8-2.
But then again,
8-2.
I can't play off because I have no vertical. Bro, this might be like the beginning and the end of the channel at the same time. This is horrible. This is ugly,
8-2. 9-2.
I just went up for it. This foot got off the ground. This foot didn't, bro. That's how I jump, bro. I don't know why. That's bad.
Yeah.
Dude!
Why wouldn't I?
Let's see. Just so you know, none of you guys would know this is our first video, but shooting is like the only thing I can do.
And you can't even do that right now, guys.
Yeah, I know. I can't do that right now. I can never usually dribble. I'm getting better. I've been working on it, but I still can't dribble. I can hardly finish the rim with like contest. If I'm just open, you know, like trying to work on stuff.
Should I call foul on that?
Why?
Hit my shoulder pretty hard.
You put your shoulder into my hip.
That's still a foul on you.
Anyway, when I'm contesting, I can't really finish the rim that well. Shooting's the only thing I can do. I am a brick right now.
Oh yeah. That's handless, isn't it, bro?
Thank you! Finally a good shot.
9-3.
I was gonna say in the air, but I didn't want to jinx it because, you know. Because, no, definitely all these. It hurts. Ugh. Hold on. This kinda hurts. I got a cramp right above my, like, middle of my foot.
10-3.
I lost it.
We're out of frame.
I think I'll go back. Just don't see if I can see myself. Go back and watch it. But I think that should be in it.
Hey, we're posting this video.
Yeah. Obviously, not touch.
10-3. I'm calling game, guys.
I need to start fishing. You have 10?
Yes.
No, there's no way.
10-3, yeah.
I swear you were just at 7.
We can
watch it. No, we can watch it back.
Okay,
I
yeah.
believe you. That's crazy, bro. That seems like you were 7 like 2 seconds ago.
I'm calling game, guys.
No, I'm so bad. I need to start fishing for compliments in the comment section, bro. That's the only thing I'm getting. Yeah.
Game.
What was it, like 311?
Yeah.
311. Alright, guys. That was our first video. I was obviously playing Buns. He got the win. Maybe we can start keeping track of wins. You know, have some sympathy. Sorry, I can't talk. For me in the comments, but that's the end of our first video. See you, Swish Nation, and see you next time.